Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Wow, so many colors. First we're opening the color of white. White color, white color. Kids, the next one is silver color. Silver color. Wow, so many colors. The next one is dark green color. And the next one is light green color. Wow. Kids, the next one is, yes, orange color. And the next one is, yes, sky blue color. Sky blue color. Kids, the next one is black color. Black color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow color. Wow. Blue color. Blue color. And the next one is, yes, Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Kids, the next one is brown color. Brown color. The next one is red color. So dark. Red color. And the last one is, yes, light pink color. So kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And the next one is M, N, O, P, Q. And the last one is R. Now we start writing alphabets A to R.